PLU is not a political party. It's a self-organization, which is non-partisan, non-denominational, and non-sectarian. It will be more than to watch Ori wa Nubu, Ori wa DP, Ori wa UPC, itonova member wetu.
Nkore Media niyo yonke yo kushanga ebirungi nkebyo. Sekwati Nkore Media birankore.
Banyeta Mawanda Micheal Mawanda, Central Commission member wa PLU Narshi Mkaseki etwine umwenarim the director of mobilization wa Patriotic League of Uganda kani kurana kachigo kemichwe Patriotic League of Uganda kandi umwenarim nimekuwa parliamentary with the East Constituency ungizo beni ndiaha abapironi Mchize twarumusho kukwebaza umandorosi umwami Borosa inomusha umwami Boreka twire abaze guteka kanisoro cy'igoro umbwire buki nisiga ngo bamwe bareta kasheshaka abandi babagandira icyo kunkanshi tongera mu amani kurango twabeta mwijo mbwinje muti ibyo ncoreka rukundo imwe ni PLU. Icya kabiri ndafusima abaganda batahi banje berembirwe nembo wa parliament cyangwa iki abwa message nungi ibaye bahereza abuyanga ryitu na nawa ekigombe cyitu cya PLU. PLU is not a political party. It's a self-organization, which is non-partisan, non-denominational, and non-sectarian. It will be more than to watch Ori wa Nubu, Ori wa DP, Ori wa UPC, itonova member wetu. Abokuba Mwazembere ni mu Rwanda rw'urutiro rwa Katete. Katete ni ato tinugo ko kubari cweke. Turkwije kujangujo byo inaremu no kwatana orabo. Yera kizuma nuko urugaka cweke barakugerata abarakurabo. Itwe esokwerembeza ni Uganda first. Ibiri dini ibya political parties zitu n'ibindi ibirigije mwanyuma abagamba babaryaha mahoro kubana bagamba kurwe sigezo ukita umuruga ngo ushwerwe tina kuje kushwera mutwende tunguka mutwende kubaho konkaga tukaka twegamba kubi rweshonga zitu barikiti zimarunga umuntu konka tubanze kwerembeze ekitubasa kutugasha ng'abantu itwe ekitutwerembeza number one as Patriotic League of Uganda is patriotism. Namwata kashira bit PLU ekargahi PLU ikazarwa units nyingi tukabanza kora individuals ababiri barebera hari ngo Uganda iki nisha kubeta umbire wumisho ngoko His Excellency now ukuyakwataginira abanywanyi in the 1960s baka identifying a problem by them. Problem here was bad leadership and governance. Nkongato wakumera aha Uganda iki neyerekere bakakireba kari that is in 1960s. Twache 1971 yanga wana 1980 twataho munda mbweni tuko twatandise kunkanga za 2018 2019 to individuals to attend forming units. Abamweni manya mukamu yum team chairman, abandi mukamu yum KMA, which I was the chairman. Ngani ni mama mkatu yogo, urusa gari team chairman. Akarwa Avengers, Arho, Nezin units. When twena patron with Akabari Genomos General Government. Twena Twaguma. We started holding conversations. Abujarango, Twena Queen Zaji, Yagarito, Omish. So tell me, Yakajat, Mwena, Kamini Borim, Kandi Kanini patron wine. Tumereka twena tukiegita, tuicheza, I think in 2021, tuicheza, forming MK movement. Yaba chairman witu. Tuwagumuza mobilizing. Tuwawapotere. Kongogo, tukata registered, tukata usindi. Kutwari ebiri, abantu injiri badirisa, nomayano wanzubu injiri. Abantu bajemo binato wena kugera bagobireza so kutwabura irenji abantu kubajunwe kutwafunda bagobireza twaje ngo hati kato harmonizing twaformalizinga twaforminga PLU Patriotic League of Uganda ehimwena abarya Murba members kandi Murba cadres. Mbwenu obuto kwagera PLU ngone babiyaga kine challenges nyinshi ngabantu kikubanza icyo PLU twine sente abako hatu wayendeza sente tokumanya n'umuntu akudrivinga muchoro kora eyo mwine narto mwine. Nina kwa story ngufu enyuma under the MK movement kaza kukora mukoro akuchari kwa uyu mukoro gwa Masaka okutebe kanisa twakora budget tweze kora budget twacheza chairman witu mwa kifani na ngoma colleagues banje bakati nyina ni chairman organizing committee na presenting a budget wa chairman yanjira at budget na ajire atukunga Masaka numenda tusakwa achivinga ichi tusakore ichi tuyontu sakukana abantu baturebe mpiro. I mean by that time was the MK movement mutwina mani abantu batuhatira such that is unit team mutuyama mani atatishi kuma naje kuspending izo sente mu yama mani nondijo muntu wa mani yija the next day akuwisa sente zizozumwe ababanta no kuba mwesere nibisha naritubakwisha sebo nibisha atumisha the end of the day baba ryabo ekikumwesa ngo sente abantu no bakugera bata no babuze atwenyo nyine njiri yanjye nyine message y'inkwenda kwa bantu nyenda kumanya abakwenda kuchuririza nebanganye nabo kwenda kuchitwara imongere mugambira abantu ngo bize bamporekereza ubashanga we 11 ubashanga we 10 abantu bo kumanya ngo abantu bagobereza banje, which I think he was very right. Abokuba kuru kwata senti wayita bantati itutwireka challenge umwinari itwatu wayita chief otine transport otine lunch otine na allowance abantu bitu bakwisha unkaba ina aba PLU they come abokuba twizere n'ingerensia nka coordinator wetu wa Marovi yagamba abize n'abashiro sinto PLU bakatureka ukari because there is no money in period. Byone tukora ndiye financing. Of course, not in blessings for our chairman with. Esikugendera niki kwenda kumanya abanya-Uganda ihanga ryabo nigerarita nerubakwataho. So nutwebembeza patriotism. Kugira ngo ukundi ihanga ryawe urihendeze birungi. Ekitwasingura inzira timu yanyu turiyo tutandika ati intabere yitu iyo neba ready kugira ngo tutandike kubyara. Twenda ngakora nitugiyagamba tutandike kurwanirira ibera sharurwe umusiri tutakagizere tutakasigire. Twajya mutubanze tubete tubashoborere nga twatandika intabire yitu ready nitwenda kubyara. Azo mu kubyara kwitoko muje tugende kumwe. Tugambira abantu b'amazima kandi tugarike tubore ku muhanda. Umuhanda w'amazima na Bible ni ikigambo. Nanye munkirize Hindu Reverend umwetu wa quotinga Bible twaje quotinga kubi mutatubanana. 2 Corinthians chapter 6, I think verse 9 says that if you plant or you sow sparingly, you will reap sparingly. But if you sow abundantly, you will reap abundantly. Hati tuntwenda tuwe omuwinji tubase kusharura ki omuwinji konkomu wotegendesereze waba bingi n'omwana wase kusharura bike mbwenu hati twenda twagire kubyara mureke tuze omusiri tubyara ensigo gwihanga ryetu erito ryo tworekerere cyama nuko natushaba jeno mozigene ruga mutwena tuba muntu to identifying the challenges is mu bicweka byitu kandi irakaryanyu nimu ako kabagenzi banje bambagamba numbasa kuombeka nari numbasa kushenga abo kwimwe burkanya kuona hata ibintu bikahinduka n'abatakura radio n'abatakura za TV wana bariya TikTok wana bariya masimu mbweni twenda tubube injiri ya entungu. The Historic Commission of NRM, they had 4 pillars. Number 1 was patriotism. Number 2 was Pan-Africanism. Number 3, socio-economic transformation. Number 4 is democracy. Every generation identifies its own problem. It's a problem when that generation it is socio-economic transformation. In Amember we have yomwe. Ahubwo ready support tujine abantu bariho konka abantu babaho bato. Nco kurebera. Inarim na yamani HPDM imkureba. It is deliberate. How can we fight household income to be able to be uplifted? Kugira ngo abantu babase kubaho urabona remembe yanagamba mwebinje abarya nubushesha kongato kumuburagira uta okubura arenga but I can assure you Uganda kwe twine capacity yo kwasa employing everybody if we get organized. India has a population of 2 billion people. They don't have a lot of resources. Resources is they are enough to accommodate more than 200 million people. Compared to Asia, 46 million We need to get back on the drawing board. At chairman wetu nojera mhato orutaro twatana marebe twabaho tuta nk'abanya Uganda abantu betu bagira bata entasi inari myamara imyaka makumyana umbwelembezi kunko umuntu nurayi mukabo atenda rimwe kuzireki abamwe muri mu cyoro bato zarkumye rwenda kinana ukurgaha nyoni ndikabushinya ukurga bushenyi ukuzakambara uko twarebera bishatu ukurga kambara ugaruka utwarebera bishatu uko yabajamba kucuncumura uko letaga urundo runako weyo inanura. So 7 days to travel from Bushenyi to Kampala. Sorry? Bamwe bakaba bararumba spaka ya Mbarara. Kunkati a generation ya itumu kuchumani. Now you can take 3 hours to travel from Bushenyi to Kampala and 3 hours back. So you only need 7 hours to go to Kampala and come back. Ichabishtuareza inakuzingai mushanju. Why? Because hariho sinji. Why? Inguto zikoze. You see, umugasho kwa government tukuja unaweza kubeta ibateka area Mbarara Square itandike kuwa Mbarara City. It creates an enabling environment. Ni ukurebye ayo ibyo kubasa kukozesa ni ukabasa kwebisa nk'umuntu. Katkuwa butwarena kumushanju orukuza Kampala atu watu warona kumwe. Why don't we use the 6 days? Urkwebisa nk'umuntu. I think no one has seen me. About people now come to Uganda over the weekends to rest because of peace and security. It's achievement, it's not a mean achievement. Numureba amahanga bitorimo kugeza ku peacefying. Kugira eti obwo sinjo butwimo twabukoresage I can assure you we can achieve what we want. Kunga abantu bokuburura abantu enjiri. Ejo tubakira baki. Kugira ntoza kushitama umukasheshe ukaza kuzana matatu ukategeza government ija kushangaho ikora korana. No. Ugwaye ukoze hato gusigire no gwitu unkata baburize bengerabo no turkwenda mwije tuchwatere mwije tuchitere kumwe tuburire ngira abantu ngo businge babureze hata abantu bona bashomye amashanyarazi garo ntubasa translating ata amashanyarazi aga gakaturikiramo icyo mugasho ngabanya Uganda. Ati cyo niyo njiri etwenda kugenda ki tugende tuburire abantu ebe binde bukubo. Yes, twinira challenges, but you see challenges nezabaho kunkanimwe mbamwiterekanise muzukume. Ikintu kintu twenda kutekaho isira muka PLU Nuranga we have achieved this. We are now in a strategy, a 10-fold growth strategy. Yeah, $500 billion economy. No matter what, a $500 billion economy. If you have a weak foundation, you can end up losing that economy. You can end up losing everything. I had an opportunity to travel to Libya. President Muammar Gaddafi, the late, was the president of Libya. By then, almost everything was free in Libya. Medical, as long as you are in Libya, medical treatment for free. Education was free. Nabana bayibahiza kushoma batakafuna imirimo. Government would pay you $2,000 per month. I mean $2,000 per month for being an employee. Housing was free. The national of care within Libya was free. Amis electricity was free. Almost everything was free in Libya. Baji and Baba Lia Mukadafa Kantaka Wahereza, it is just 1% of your wealth. They fought Gaddafi, they killed him, they ended up fighting and destroying everything in Libya. Libya is now, Libya is in ashes. It will take them more than 50 years to garkava building Libya. Small mistakes. So its sustainability achievements is to him. We must ensure that they are sustainable. We must protect them. Recently to John Karo, NRM's theme was protecting the what? The gains. That's a very big statement. Very big statement. Protecting the gains. Are we thinking about it? But it has a meaning. Go to Sudan. Sudan is no more. South Sudan. Took a temperature. They know me how. You're not sure. Why? Because the video of singing.
Nkore Media niyo yonka yo kushanga ebirungi nkebyo. Sekwati Nkore Media.